Hard work always pays off. This quote suits Aqib Nabi very well. Aqib Nabi, the Ranji star who was waiting for his Team India call-up, who did not get chance to be in Team India squad in the Afghanistan series as well, and was waiting wholeheartedly to join the squad to get the Team India call-up whenever the time is right. Yesterday, Jasprit Bumrah got ruled out due to his knee injury from the Sri Lanka Test series, and during that time only there were a lot of communications that Aqib Nabi becomes the front runner as the replacement of Jasprit Bumrah. And in today morning, the update came out, and the update is that Aqib Nabi has replaced Jasprit Bumrah in the India versus Sri Lanka Test series. If we look at Aqib Nabi's stats in first class cricket, he has taken 162 wickets in 71 innings with the economy of 2.90. If we talk about Ranji, we all remember what he did in the Ranji game for Jammu and Kashmir. He took 60 wickets for Jammu and Kashmir in the Ranji Trophy 2025 to 2026. And apart from that, he was also the part of India A versus Sri Lanka A game. In that particular unofficial test series, multi-day series, he took 6 wickets in 2 games. So that's the Aqib Nabi stand, and why he is a good option. The reason behind it is he has already played in Sri Lanka during the India A versus Sri Lanka A game. So he has a bit of idea about the recent pitches in Sri Lanka, because earlier if we had a look in the Sri Lanka pitches, how the wickets used to behave, it was quite different. But in the recent series we have also seen that Sri Lanka has made a bit of flat tracks. So now it would be very much interesting to observe Aqib Nabi if he gets a chance in the playing 11, how he does, what his performance actually is. And also, Team India has Gurnoor Brar, who did a really good job since his debut. So both these newbies, both these, we can say, youngsters are going to do a very good job if we look at their past records. So hopefully this series will be in India's favor, because again this series is very much important for Team India's WTC cycle 2027. For more such updates, news and latest news, keep watching Rev Sports. Thank you so much for watching.